Many of you will be familiar with the Greentree Planner. Here I have a job-based planner, a job costing screen with various information around jobs, and in the bottom half of the screen I have a planner. On that planner I've got my team who's doing the work, and it's showing the Greentree service requests that have been assigned to those various workers. We can do great things on here. We can drill down into those scheduled tasks. We can take those scheduled tasks and we can do things like reschedule them straight on the planner. We can reassign them as well. Maybe we want that to go to Angela Allen, or maybe we need to put it back from Angela Allen and put it back onto Barack Obama. We can do all of those good things on the planner, and it is a great tool for that. However, many of you will also be aware it has some limitations. For example, it shows two columns of information, the first name and the surname. There's very little you can do to change that other than going through to a customization. And so often those limitations become quite a problem for some organizations, and they want to be able to get more out of the information in Greentree. So what are the options? Well, one option that's becoming very popular is to use BI tools or business intelligence tools. So as a proof of concept and to help our fellow customers, I have created this planner in Power BI. It pulls the same colors and all that information out of Greentree. So if I switch across to Power BI, there you can see I've got Amanda, Alan, Angela, Barack Obama, and all the service requests that have been assigned to them for a time period that I can choose up on the top screen. And the hover text, just like in Greentree, shows you additional information. However, because it's in Power BI, we can do more. Not only can I show the names there, but I could set it up as I have here to drill down and show the team that person belongs to. Drill down further and I have this model showing the location that service is happening at. Drill down further and it's showing what type of certifications that person has. And all of that information is coming directly out of Greentree or whatever system you want to plug onto the back of this, and we can present it as a planner in Power BI. And a little thing to note here, a lot of people are not aware that there are ways of putting multiple service requests on one line. So here for Chelsea Cork, for example, there's one service request for 3 days starting on the 16th of July, and another one for 4 days starting on the 25th of July. But what else can we do? Let me show you. I'm going to go back into Greentree, and just to show this working, on Friday the 22nd, I'm going to create another service request for Amanda. So another service request for Amanda. And the colors, to show them coming through, the colors on the Greentree Planner are based on the type of service request that it is. I'm going to make it a maintenance service request, which I believe is a green color. Save that. I'll just refresh it. Note the service request number is 1557, and if I close it, there's service request 1557 on the Greentree Planner. If I go into Power BI, of course, it's not a live link. Power BI and most BI tools, you have to refresh the data periodically, so I'm just going to kick off a refresh here to pull in the latest data, and boom, there we are. It only takes a few seconds, and I can see there's my service request 1557 for Amanda. However, let's go back and let's open up that service request. Maybe it's a big job that Amanda's going to do and it's somewhere remote, so it's going to take her several months. So let's say it's going to take her 3 months, and we'll send her out there for 3 months. Save that, and as you'd expect, on the planner, there it is going out for a long time. Now, what you can't do on the Greentree Planner is show that gets broken up. Maybe Amanda's going out on a 5 and 2 roster. 5 days she works, comes back for 2 days, goes out and works for another 5 days, or whatever the roster is that she chooses. However, in the Greentree system, we can record that information. So here we've got a custom tab where we can put whatever information we want, and I'll have her doing a 5 days off and 2 days on roster, and I'll save that. Now, in Greentree, that shows as booked out for those 3 months. And if I go back into Power BI and just do a quick refresh, that service request 1557 will also go out and show her booked out for those 5 months. However, what it will do is also show when she is on leave, the 5 days on and 2 days off. So there we can see it's booked out for the full 3 months, but we can very clearly see days with a little icon in there that indicating those are her days off. Although she's rostered on that job, those are the days she's rostered away. If you don't want to see those and you just want to see them as available, because the nature of your work means that when they're not on the job, they are available, we can put on little selectors up here. If I click on no up there, it now shows that time as available. So a lot of things that can be done in Power BI. We can pull in information, we can pull in other related information from Greentree, we can pull in information from other systems and bring it all in and show it as a planner. Hope that's helped. See you later.